Hello? Okay, so you want me to teach the whole team about typography? Yeah, I can do that. And it needs to include activities. Okay. And an exam worksheet? So when do you need it by? Tomorrow? Hey there, educators and digital wizards. I'm Terence and I'm a craft lead here at Canva. Are you the guru in your workplace that your team turns to for knowledge and insights? Or an educator ready to enlighten others? Or maybe you're a parent looking for some new resources to teach your kids? Canva's new ready-to-teach lessons have got you covered with a huge variety of topics for almost any occasion, complete with activities, worksheets and more. Best of all, you can customize them or even build your own from scratch, right from within Canva. Let's dive into the world of Canva's lesson templates, a treasure trove that's going to make your lesson planning as easy as pie. And who doesn't love pie? First things first, let's talk about finding these amazing free lesson templates on Canva. They're available to all users, not just teachers and students, so it doesn't matter if you're in the classroom or the boardroom, everyone can teach and learn from custom lessons. Let's begin on the Canva homepage and click on the Templates tab to get started. Then go here to see all the lessons that are currently available. I can browse templates via different categories like year, subject, and resource type. But what I really want to show you is the Future Skills category here. There's lots of ready-to-teach lessons from all sorts of incredible partners like NASA, the New York Times, Monotype, and Upschool, to name a few. Oh, this one looks good. Here, we can see who the intended audience is and some more info about the lesson. All lessons contain a mixture of templates, which can include presentations, videos, and even worksheets that are designed to be viewed sequentially. You can quickly preview all the resources here by clicking through them, like this. This is exactly what I'm looking for, so let's click here to start using it. Canva have teamed up with renowned global experts to bring you an exclusive library of customizable lessons. Packed with unique insights, these lessons offer a world of knowledge at your fingertips. All 100% free for educators and ready to teach. So let's take a look at how to customize and share one. All of the lesson resources are saved to a dedicated course folder, ready for me to customize and share with my team. Courses are unique folders that contain multiple resources, intended for sequential learning. Here's a quick tip. You can turn any folder into a course by clicking here and selecting Turn into Course. Each resource from the lesson is customizable, so you can tailor it to your specific needs. You can also delete or add new resources here. Let's take a look at this presentation. I don't really need these slides at the end here, so I'll delete them. I can also add a new slide at the beginning for the introduction, like this. Some of the lesson templates also include presenter notes for each slide to provide more context or instruction. And it's super easy to customize them for your needs. Very helpful if you're presenting in person so you've got some talking points, or to help with self-paced learning. Okay, so I've finished editing my lesson and it's ready to use. Let's take a look at how to share and present my lesson with the team. Before sharing, it's a good idea to update the name and description. Let's also update the banner image like this to really make it stand out. Next, set the activity experience for each resource. For example, I'll be presenting these slides in person. My team doesn't need their own copy, so I'll leave it set to resource. And this one is an exam worksheet that each learner will complete on their own, so I'll set it to template. Now learners will get their own copy when they open it. Finally, it's time to share my new course folder. Just hit the share button here to share with individuals or groups. They'll be notified and can start using the lesson resources straight away. And there you have it! It's so easy to create custom lessons, blend in other resources, and share course folders with your team in a snap. Pretty cool, huh? Well, hold on to your hats because we're not stopping there. Next, let's walk through the ins and outs of making your lessons not only super engaging with Magic Animate, but also wonderfully inclusive with Canva's accessibility tools. Plus, get ready to be wowed by the one-click wonder Magic Switch, turning your teaching content into snazzy summaries. But first, have you subscribed to Canva's channel? Here you'll find a ton of helpful, inspiring how-to videos to take your designs to the next level. Our Tips from the Team playlist are packed with expert guides like how to make awesome Zoom backgrounds, how to create photo book, how to make DIY business cards, and so much more. Hit the subscribe button and it won't be long before you're a Canva whiz. Alright, are you ready to transform your teaching game with some more Canva wizardry? With the Design Accessibility tool, you can find out what accessibility issues are present in your design so you can fix them without needing to be an accessibility expert. Inclusivity matters, so Canva's accessibility tools ensure all your team members and students can benefit. Adjust color contrast, add alt text to images, and more. Making your lessons accessible is not just important, it's essential. Open your design, then from the editor, select File from the menu, then click View Settings. Select Check Design Accessibility from the options to open the Design Accessibility window in your editor. You'll see a summary of accessibility issues detected, grouped by category on the right. Any issues with the design will be highlighted with a blue dot, like this. Click the blue dot, or select a category on the right to find out more. As you can see, the suggestions make it super easy to fix anything with one click. Just close the accessibility panel when you're done. Ready to bring your lessons to life with some motion? Let's talk about Magic Animate. This tool adds animations to your text and images with just a click. Watch how this presentation goes from static to stunning. It's a game changer for learning engagement. Also, a note that Magic Animate is only available for folks using Canva Pro, Canva for Teams, and Canva for Education. On the toolbar above the editor, click on Animate. Animation options will show on the side panel here. Select Magic Animate, then click on the recommended style to apply it to your entire design. You can even mix it up with alternative styles here. Don't like the result? Just click Remove Magic Animation to remove it from your entire design. Last but not least, let's talk about Magic Switch. Watch as your creative lessons are instantly reborn in a stunning array of formats. This nifty feature also lets you create summaries with just one click. It's perfect for revision materials or handouts. Just select your content, click Magic Switch, and voila, concise summary is ready. On the menu bar above the editor, click Magic Switch. Click here to transform into a doc. To resize and switch at the same time, scroll down and tick the sizes or formats you want. Select what type of content you'd like to create. You can do a summary, blog post, song lyrics, email, poem, or all text. Let's choose a summary. And just like that, our new summary doc opens in a separate window ready to use. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of making the most out of Canva's lesson templates. We've covered a lot, from finding templates to customizing them and making them engaging and accessible, and sharing them with ease. I hope this helps you take your teaching to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Any questions or feedback, we'd love to hear it. Put it in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Until next time, keep inspiring those minds with your amazing teaching skills. Bye for now. Hello again, I'm thrilled to see you still with us. Looking for more enriching content to explore? Check out our playlist. It's filled with educational resources you're sure to find valuable. For an extra boost of inspiration, we recommend this video. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content.